Severe avoidants will often have a phantom ex. What's a phantom ex? A phantom ex is an ex-partner of theirs that they romanticize, that they idolize. They put this person up on a pedestal long after they've discarded that person. During the relationship, emotional intimacy was growing and the avoidant panicked and they ran. They ditched the partner. But after time and space, the avoidant starts to put this person on a pedestal. They view them as the one that got away. This was the perfect partner. Now, the phantom ex is also someone that the avoidant will often try to get back together with multiple times. They discard, and then 3, 4, 5, 6 months later, they come back. And then of course in their mind, they're second guessing it. Oh, maybe I didn't love this person the way I thought I did. Maybe I'm not as attracted to them as I thought I was. Then they discard again. Then they put them back up on the pedestal. They come back to the relationship, discard again with the same fears over and over and over again. Typically the phantom ex is someone that they will try to get back with numerous times. But eventually when that relationship comes to a true end, the avoidant will keep that ex up on the pedestal, and every future partner will be compared to this phantom ex. It'll be constant mental comparisons, and the avoidant will use the phantom ex as the justification for discarding each subsequent partner, because they can't live up to this idolized version of the phantom ex. The phantom ex is always up on a pedestal, and they'll be critiquing their partners in comparison, and the phantom ex will always be better. Nobody can ever live up to the potential of the phantom ex. Reality is when they were in an actual relationship with the phantom ex, the avoidant had their fears triggered, fears of emotional intimacy, fears of abandonment. They doubted the relationship because of their fears and they discarded this person. But they idolized that person as the one that got away. Well, in reality, they pushed that person away. But in the avoidant's mind, it's the one that got away, and this person is up on the pedestal. And no future partner has a chance. No future partner can ever compare. And it's not the fault of the future partners. This is unhealed attachment wounds at play. These are unhealed issues in the avoidant causing this. This is because this person has a deep fear of emotional intimacy. They use the phantom ex as an excuse to sabotage any future emotional intimacy in relationships. Sabotaging emotional intimacy keeps a partner at an emotional distance, which keeps the avoidant feeling safe. Because the fear is that if anybody gets too close, they are going to figure out that the avoidant isn't good enough, that they are in fact an unlovable person, and they're going to abandon and reject them. So the avoidant, well, they do whatever it takes to keep partners from getting too close. When the relationship gets real and emotional intimacy builds, they find ways to sabotage that intimacy. And the phantom ex is a very common way that they mentally sabotage that intimacy, because the new person can never live up to that standard. And that way, the new person stays at an emotional arm's length.